Okay. Welcome to all of you in the today training program. Today, I just discuss about uh, basic feature of basic infra of any network. It may be IoT, it may be telecommunication. In the last session, we discussed what is the telecommunication and IT. So definitely, who participant? There are yesterday two participants joined here, so they are able to understand the IT is nothing. The new version of telecommunication is known as IT services. Okay. So before more discussion about the infra of the current network in the world, my question is for all of you. Karthik, are you aware about where is the Bagha border?
Yes, sir.
This is the most popular border, India and Pakistan. Very nice. And suppose you are standing at the Bagha border. Uh, one Pakistani is also standing with you. So first tell me, if you are calling to Pakistani person, so what is the path? Can you explain about this?
Uh,
Again, I repeat my question, then we give the answer. My question is very simple. At Bagha border, this is the most popular border between India and Pakistan. One person like you are Indian, you are standing Bagha border, and with you, along with you, same another person that is related to the Pakistan. So he also is standing with you. If you are calling from your phone to Mr. Pakistani person, so what is the path? Okay, definitely Pakistani person mobile have the signal of the Pakistan tower. Indian person signal is the Indian signal. So what is the path? Now, can you explain anyone? Yes, Karthik.
Satellite communications.
Satellite communication. Okay. Any more? Karan, आपको कुछ आइडिया है? Yachika. Today one more participant here join. Yachika. Yachika, are you able to listen my sound? Yes or no? Okay. No problem. First, I explain all of you types of media. Then we discuss more about solution of this my question. When two person is standing at the Bagha bed, so what is the path? Definitely for the communication, what is the media? Media is the air, most popular media. When two person is standing to each other, so definitely air is the media, and maximum distance possible in the air 30 to 50 meter. Again, I write maximum distance 30 to 50 meter if two person want to talk to each other. Okay. Next, second is that the most popular media from starting of the communication to till time. This is the copper wire. And what is the length of the copper wire? There are two types of copper wire. Definitely starting from communication in India across the world same time because British rule is here and Graham Bell. You are all are well aware who is the Graham Bell. So he is the known as the father of discovery of telecom. Okay. So before starting to till time, one most popular media that is the copper wire, and length of the copper wire is the 5 kilometer, either 6 kilometer. There are two. Okay, 5 kilometer, or 6 kilometer. Okay. Third is that I one most popular media coaxial, and fourth is that satellite. One more media is that pipe is that optical fiber, and one more media is the EM wave, yeah, you can say microwave. These all six media on your screen all currently used in vast level. Okay. So my question before starting this session, yeah, just starting the session, when two person is standing at the Bagha border, so Indian person from their mobile to calling to Pakistani person, that Pakistani person also is standing with you. So what is the path? Uh, Karthik, give the answer satellite. Okay. So because you give the answer satellite, so in counter your answer of satellite, write here 6 different media. Okay. So my question is again for all of you, in which media is point of view of the communication, yeah, today communication is the weakest media, poor media. Out of 6 media, which media? Please write down in the WhatsApp, no problem.
Air, sir.
Air, definitely air. Air, no, no doubt, air is the weakest media, but most important because everybody know without air, life is not possible. Okay. In old time, in my childhood time, uh, two box just make a hole one box and another box. Help of the some wire we connect to one box to another box. I'm calling from one box to another box. So automatically my sound help of that wire to reach automatically another box. So this is the in the village normally general game by the their current children. Okay, and also in my childhood time also such types of game will play. So, so definitely, if two box simply connected any media, automatically your sound can move. So same manner, from starting of the communication to till time, 5 kilometer radius, there will be copper wire. If any suppose you have mobile, one landline phone and another is also landline phone. So if one phone to another phone connected to each other directly, so if we want to communicate from one phone to another phone, so definitely maximum distance is the 5 kilometer, either 6 kilometer possible. There are two types of wire. If wire diameter is the more size diameter, that will be 6 kilometer, otherwise 5 kilometer. Uh, Again, one more question for all of you. Which media is the most popular and most strong media in the current technology? Weakest media, no problem. You can say air. Copper wire also used, but the length is not too much. But out of remaining 3, 4, 5, 6, which media is most powerful, most usable, and famous in the world? Yes, give the answer.
Coaxial, sir.
Coaxial. Any other? Are you saying the Karthik about the uh, satellite? Okay. So first keep in the mind satellite communication drawback. Drawback of the satellite communication is very simple. You can understand. At your home, you have satellite TV and a dish TV. What happened in a rainy season? Any natural disaster time, your satellite TV not working because in the satellite communication, natural interference is too high. So that is not possible. So satellite communication in the world, in India, North India currently starting now from last month, very rainy day. And in the West India, there is no water, no rainy season. In the North is too high rainy. In the South, sometime very high rainy, sometime all time summer time like. Okay. So different environment is available in India. So satellite communication is more affected due to the environment. So it is not possible to satellite communication in the whole world. We depend on that media. So satellite communication is not good communication, you can say. The whole world, the best, it is okay, it is right ki, 3 satellite can be complete cover whole world. But due to the natural distortion, it is not preferred for the communication system. Temporary basis, it's okay, no problem. And second drawback of satellite communication is that the satellite, suppose Karthik, you posted some satellite workstation and there are some problem in the satellite. So it is possible ki, can I go to the Kartik in the space and remove satellite issue? That is not possible. So operation and maintenance of the satellite is not easy. And third drawback of the satellite is that if you are making a satellite, it takes too high time, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. And after the making of the satellite, it is not necessary it will be successfully launched in the space. Very good example. Uh, in the last Chandrayaan 2. Are you all aware of Chandrayaan 2? What happened Chandrayaan 2? Our Prime Minister, every ISRO scientist will be there. But in the last moment, what happened ISRO? That will be unsuccessful. So successful, time consuming, and not easy to install in the orbit. Okay. So due to that, this all three major issue in operation and maintenance not possible. Second, natural interference is very high. Third is the uh, installation and costing time of the making of this satellite is too high. So we not prefer satellite till time. Okay, please hold down. Currently, the most important communication media in the world, this is optical fiber. Optical fiber communication in the whole world, you can communicate. Okay, so I will explain more about this. And coaxial is a just upgradation of the copper wire, and due to the coaxial, you can move 40-kilometer distance possible. EM and microwave. It is also very important media because my mobile phone connected to the nearby tower, nearby BTS. This is the EM way, either microwave. So this is the, it may be depend on area, in which area microwave या EM signal with in the city area, urban area, high density, Mahanagar like Delhi and metro city. So 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, and up to 15 kilometer, different range are available in the microwave. Keep in the mind, all of you, there is nothing wireless. Wireless is only from your mobile to nearby tower. In the whole world, nothing is wireless. If you are thinking from one country to another country, this is the wireless, no, this is optical fiber. One city to another city, optical fiber. Wireless is only from your mobile phone to tower, mobile phone to nearby tower. I just explaining this, then we can, you are easily understand about the my question, Baga border. Okay. So before going starting, I sharing with one PPT. Yeah. This is a real communication technology, and this is a real IT infra in the today and yesterday and past time and upcoming future also. Okay. First, before going understanding any network, so definitely in the starting till time, one ISP, that is the BSNL. In the current time, you are well aware, no, this is a very important and well big role of communication system. Normal public, they are unaware about such types of truth. So just I explain one by one. If you are going any telephone exchange, definitely every city nearby, every 5 kilometer radius, because copper wire is from starting to till time, most important media for communication. Already told all of you, copper wire land is 5 kilometer, either 6 kilometer. So definitely you can realize the BSNL telephone exchange, every some location there will be, you can see in the Ghaziabad 15-20 number of telephone exchange, Sanjay Nagar, Rajnagar. Why? If you are, you can also can now check in your city how many number of telephone exchanges available in the BSNL in your city. Why surprising? Because from starting to till time and upcoming future time, BSNL is a very important communication company. This is the government department. Okay. So before I one by one studying next 4 or 5 slide, you are completely whole aware, whole network of the world. So this is the first switch room. Okay. If you are going to any telephone exchange, the most important room is you can see switch room. In switch room, in currently this is the one AC room. Some engineer will working with some computer. Nobody allow enter in this side room. One room is the MDF room. What is MDF? I will discuss in the next slide. This is look like this in a lot of wire in this room. And third is the power plant. In any organization, not suppose at your home, if power main supply is failure, what you have alternate option? You have inverter. Power cut, automatically your inverter load all home load, bulb, tube light, fan diverted on your inverter. But that is home, you can wait restoration of the main supply. But in any organization, there need to 24-hour power supply without interruption. So you can't wait failure of the main supply. How many take this restoration? So in any organization, there will be one power room, that is the manage. One room is the battery room. Battery room, that is the inverter, very big inverter. And third is that if a power fail, automatically whole organization, either telephone, in the case of the telephone exchange, your load diverted on the battery. And third is that if generator, alternator, if main supply is not restoration, then we start the generator, either alternator, and our load transmit the generator. So this is a combination of the power supply, any organization, main supply, number one, number two, battery, and number three, alternator. If power supply failure, automatically all load of power become on the battery, and help of the power room, you start the generator and load divert on the generator without single break, single interruption. 24-hour power supply will be available in any organization if they are required. Okay. And one more example room is the transmission room. So if you are visit any telephone exchange, either not only BSNL, you can go Airtel, other Reliance. So same time of mechanism is available. One is the most important room, that is the switch room. This is the switch room. And one is the MDF, one is the transmission, and one mechanism is the power supply. Okay. And now, local call and trunk call, because you are good time this time, because you are know what is the meaning of the STD call, local call. I am sure after some time your upcoming new generation, my word is very clear, upcoming time new generation like your junior, they are never know what is the meaning of the STD, trunk call, either number dialing system. They are already aware about new technology, new types of communication system like internet, Zoom like. This is the Zoom currently. Okay. So local and trunk call. What is the meaning of the local call? So just one by one. This is a phone. Suppose that phone locate at your home, and at your home this phone is connected to the one box. This is the LGU. This is a white color box. It available inside your home. If you are currently using of the BSNL, either Airtel, either MTNL phone, these three company provided such types of mechanism till time also. And from home outside, there is one box. In this box, this is known as the DP. From this box, you can connect 5 different home. And these all are the copper wire. These all are the copper wire. Okay. In telephone wire and in electricity wire, what is different between power line and telephone line? Power line, in the same plug, you can put fan, tube light, bulb, everything. But in the telephone, every customer, every wire will be separate, like not electricity. Separate customer, separate wire. So here the 5 home, so 5 wire in just here collected and make a single fiber, a single cable, and move in exchange side. And just moving on exchange side. This is the sometime you can see on the road. This is the local call. This is a pillar in the nearby. All from DP, all cable here collected, and up to 500 number customer is possible, and this is move the exchange to more. So this is the cabinet. Such types of cabinet you also see in your city. And this is nothing nearby all pillar wire collectively here jointly collect here. So every customer within a 5 kilometer, how to reach nearby exchange, because copper wire length is the 5 kilometer. So definitely in the BSNL, every 5 kilometer radius you can see one telephone exchange. So this is the every customer wire how to reach this nearby exchange cabinet. If you see such types of box, so definitely you can imagine within the 50-meter diameter, definitely 50 meter BSNL telephone exchange will be there, and just inside the telephone exchange. So this is MDF. What is the MDF? MDF is nothing nearby 5 kilometer. Every customer telephone wire will be collected here. Okay, and this connected to the switch room. Suppose a person A calling to Mr. B. Okay, and B customer wire is also available in this MDF, this location. So in old time, a lot of people working in the BSNL. This is known as the telephone operator. In the old time, what happened? If A person is calling to B, so they manually connect to each other. Manually connect. This temporary basis manually connected to the two customer. This is known as switch. इसको कहते हैं switch करना. This is known as the switch. What is the meaning of the switch? Switch is nothing temporary basis two different customer connected to each other, and this is also known as the local call. What is the meaning of local call? Calling party and called party both are the same wire, same exchange. That is the local call. Suppose same just further MDF, cabinet, pillar, DP, and that. So this is a local call. Suppose if you calling the same city, but your customer is not available in this wire, but a different telephone exchange wire. So what in this case, how to design? This is the customer. This connectivity is the no problem, same. And earlier this switch room is the manually, then electronics, electromechanical. This is electronic, and current time IP switch, internet protocol switch. Network is not changed, technology change. What technology change here? Until time now, media is also upgraded up to fiber. What upgraded? You have to fiber. Otherwise, concept is the same. Old time and till time. There is no change. Okay. So suppose this person now in the second case is calling to Mr. B, but Mr. B wire is not available in this exchange. So what happened in this case? Every city one main telephone exchange. If you are discussing with your parent, are you know where the main exchange? Definitely your parent easily say, yes. Yeah, where is the main exchange of your city? In the old time, everybody well aware where is the main exchange. Okay, everybody know. So okay, so there is one. This is connected to the next 9086. This line is connected to the optical fiber from local exchange to main exchange. So this customer calling wire is not here. So that person, okay, not a, you can send the main exchange. This switch and this switch both are the same. Functionality are the same. What is the function of this switch? Which customer? What is the function of this switch? Which telephone exchange? So this optical fiber is sent. This is the main another switch in the same city, and this is local. This is known as the trunk call, STD, subscriber trunk dialing. Trunk dialing means not own switch, another switch, but the same city. Okay, another city is also possible. Suppose here I am Ghaziabad and some person is another location, another district, Meerut. So if one city to another city calling, in this case, what happened? Telecommunication developed by the British. They make a rule, the Indian Telegraph Act 1852 till time. They divided India into 4 regions: NTR, WTR, STR, ETR. Northern Telecom region, Western, Southern, and Eastern. Okay. Here I just make just a basic idea in the current geographical structure of the India. So definitely in the NTR, Jammu, Rajasthan, Uttar are like this. Okay. So if person calling same region, this is a act will be 1885, but till time working now. And there is 2 headquarters. One headquarter is the Delhi and second is the Dehradun in the NTR. STR, Bangalore and Chennai, and WTR, Bhopal and Mumbai, and ETR, Guwahati and Kolkata. Okay, so such types of mechanism are already developed by the Britain and till time also working same rule and regulation, our telephone, our internet structure. Okay. So suppose anybody calling Meerut to Ghaziabad, same region, Bangalore to Chennai, same south in the same south area, Kolkata to Guwahati, same northeast. So this same region, there is no problem. Every main telephone exchange correctly connected directly optical fiber, one city to another city. This optical fiber managed by the BSNL, either you Reliance, either Tata, any company, doesn't matter. If one city to another city, this connectivity managed by the government of India, they become PPP model, public-private partnership. That is different thing, but they all are managed by government of India. You can say by default BSNL. Okay. In this case, just I more explain. If this person is calling to the another city, but same region, what happened in this case? This person definitely connected to local exchange. This is denied, is sent to the main exchange. This is the local, this is optical fiber. Or what optical fiber? This 1990-86, not a new technology optical fiber. Okay. Go to the main DTAC, same another main city, definitely they have the same types of DTAC. And this connectivity is optical fiber in the current time, and connect to the another city, DTAC. Okay, this is my city. Okay, in which local switch connect, and this is connectivity. Okay, so one city to another city. And one more thing, in the landline, what is the drawback? Drawback of landline, the number of customer, number of wire required. In 1994, government decided we have not a lot of money, so what we can do? How to a lot of telephone system will be provided every customer? So they bring mobile communication. Mobile communication and landline communication, there is no difference. Very common thing. From landline case, from this location to exchange, this is completely copper wire. But government is not possible. Just here one more PPT for you. Yes, transformation. How to landline PSTN to mobile conversion. This is the landline, already discussed this time. Okay. Now, problem is government ki every customer copper wire not possible to laying from customer to nearby exchange, and it is too high cost. So government just decided take a mobile phone, and this in the case of mobile phone, just here installed one BTS. This is a tower. You are connected from mobile to nearby tower, and this tower can be connected wireless 1204 customer in case of the GSM. And today in the any mobile communication, same ideally distance. Okay. And this is connected, this MDF is now known as the BSC, this is MSC. So same mechanism, if anybody calling from the mobile So you are nearby tower connected, and tower is connected to the nearby MSC. And this is a switching system. This will be decided. Okay, if you are calling landline to our next network is same. This is not different. Detect if anybody calling to the mobile landline, just go to the this not switch available to send the main exchange. Okay, this main exchange will decided where is the landline customer, either another mobile customer, he send that telephone exchange. Okay, and mobile to mobile, that same. Wireless and wire nothing. Mobile is nothing. Mobile is simply you are connected nearby tower. By remaining network, either landline, either mobile. Even today in our internet communication, all line are the same. They not have separate line. All only this device will be replaced by the new devices. Okay. So now my question, again, I come back to my question. You are standing at the Baga border. Okay. So how to possible, what is the path between India and Pakistan people? So one more thing before going. Yeah. This I explain this diagram also. If you are standing at the Baga border, suppose Karthik, you calling to the Pakistani person, definitely Pakistani person have the Pakistani signal, Indian person have the Indian signal. So nearby tower, definitely that available in the Atari, and Atari switch decided, oh, this person calling person by the Karthik is not available in their local switch. He's sending to the main exchange. Where the main exchange, definitely you can think Amritsar. Amritsar detects, oh, this calling person is not available in our NTR. So in this case, he sent a main exchange, either Dehradun, either Delhi. Suppose he sent to the main, they are all connected to optical fiber. He's sending to Delhi. Delhi, oh, this is the not Indian calling. This is outside calling. So every calling from India go to outside, that go by the Mumbai. Mumbai, the default international gateway. Okay, doesn't matter what is your company, BSNL, Reliance, Tata, doesn't matter. Every network, one city to another city, definitely this is also handled by the BSNL. That is government. You can say government, no problem. Okay, so this is sending to the Mumbai. Okay, now Mumbai. Oh, this is the Pakistan. Are you well aware relation between India and Pakistan? Their submarine optical fiber is laying inside the sea between Mumbai to Karachi, but due to the relation between India and Pakistan, this link we are not used. So what happened in this case? My cable is just go to the Mumbai, Chennai, Singapore, go to the USA, Los Angeles, out New York, then London, go to the Lal Sagar, Red Sea, and Dubai and Afghanistan, and inside the Pakistan. And Pakistan, they local arrangement as per our country, same already almost, and go to the Baga border and their mobile phone. So if Indian person saying hi, so hi message within a time will be very second, second. It will be, but movement of hi message, whole world. Sometime asking the in general interview why the calling rate of US is cheaper than Pakistan. So very simple, cheaper the US the first, Pakistani route is the too much high. Okay, so I just sharing one video for the real video network, and this PPT also share with all of you. So hopefully ki now from till time my this session, all are now aware ki wireless is nothing. If one country to another country, that is optical fiber. Everything is optical fiber and wire. And in wireless communication, it is not possible to high speed internet. So giga fiber, FTTH, every company advertisement, please take a fiber. Why fiber? Because fiber continuous without interruption provided high speed internet. So I just one video for you, and then when any question, any doubt, you can drop the message in in chat box, then I give the answer also. I This is a real structure of the network. You can see this now. Okay. This all optical fiber really laying in the side, and this is not new. Already laying almost starting from the communication system. Otherwise, satellite communication definitely. If anybody ought to give one answer, satellite. It's okay. Hello. Uh, any doubt, any question you can ask? Yes, Kartik. Are you know about this? What is the satellite like this? I will share this video and request to all of you, please see again and again. And the PPT already share. Okay. So thank for your time and have a nice day. Thank you. Any question?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You, sir.